Hello and welcome to another video of our SAP Analytics Cloud QRC4 video series. This is Arbaz and I'm so excited to take you through one of the newest features of QRC4, that is the enhanced help experience. This update in SAC offers contextual assistance directly within the application, which makes it easier to access all the information. The improved assistance brings several enhancements, including the following capabilities that you can see on my screen: contextual hotspot assistance, self-guided learning through interactive tutorials, embedded video tutorials, overview of changes in recent releases, and finally SAP Help Portal access directly for in-depth information. Now these improvements empower you to discover essential information precisely when you need it and to expand your knowledge of various functionalities within SAC. Now let's jump into SAC and see how these features look and feel like in more detail. When you log into SAC, on the top right hand corner you can see the help icon. When you click on this help feature, hotspots appear for the corresponding elements on your active screen. By selecting a hotspot, you will receive concise summary along with links to detailed help topics on the SAP Help portal for deeper insights. This approach provides a fundamental understanding of features or concepts before delving into a comprehensive explanation. Now, these small icons that you see all over the screen are called hotspots, and they provide all the information about what's all on the current screen that you have. For example, if I click on this hotspot, it's going to give me information of all the icons that's just below it, which includes workspace management, connections, activities, etc. Now let's have a look at the self-guided interactive tutorials. The learning tab, that's just on the right, offers a curated selection of interactive tutorials. When you click on the learning center, you will see all the tutorials in one place. These tutorials guide you through screen-related scenarios in a recorded system environment, helping you to gain hands-on experience with tools or application. The Learning tab also provides direct links to Learning Center and SAP community site for additional learning opportunities. Now let's open any interactive tutorial and you will see how it is going to guide you to the steps to understand the whole feature. Now changing and customizing application themes. Now this is going to navigate you through the steps on how you can create and understand the whole topic. Let's go back to our home screen and look at the next feature. Embedded video tutorials related to the current screen. Now in the same help section, you can just type in video and all the videos related to the current screen appear. Now if I click on any one of these, you'll see a video getting loaded, and this all happens while you are doing your work. You don't need to get to another tab to play this video or have a look at what's happening. These videos can be accessed in a pop-up that we saw just on the right hand side on the screen to continue working without leaving the application. Let's have a look at the next feature. A quick overview of recent changes and updates in the past versions. In the same help section, you will see a small icon. This icon is going to show you what's new in the current version, and also you can open up the past version information as well. So you'll see what all features were there in Q3 2023, Q2 2023, and all the past versions. Last but not the least, access to the SAP Help portal directly embedded in our Help section. If you click on the Open Help portal, this is going to take you to the SAP Help portal corresponding to the active screen in SAP Analytics Cloud. Now let's say, for example, we are on the Modeler tab. Now the Help portal is going to show you all the SAP related help for modeling. Same goes for story creations, predictive scenarios, calendars, etc. The help documentation offers comprehensive insights into major concepts, step-by-step procedures for common tasks, and other valuable information for success in the role. With each release, the product is enriched with documentation, so the users are encouraged to regularly update their knowledge. These were all the features in the new enhanced help experience. Thanks for watching.